Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. This is nothing more but an update. Just wanted to talk about the salvias for a minute. Look at the middle one, looks pretty good. Did a little trimming, looks good. The one on the left, growing fast, real rapid. I told you, they're real resilient. Cut them down, they'll come back, trust me. My rose bushes, however, real skimpy. I don't know what's going on. Maybe not enough water, I think. Maybe too much sun. Jesus Christ. Looks horrible. They look sick. This one's trying to grow, though. Got some new stuff coming in, at least. But look at all the holes. Yeah, I think the sun is just eating away at these things. I got to do something about it. The middle child is still acting stubborn. Gonna have to do something about it. I'm gonna have to move these rose bushes. They can't stay here. My middle salvia, however, my baby is doing great. Show him some love. Let's come over here. Don't pay any attention to this stuff, guys. I told you before. Don't worry about it. Let's see. You know what? Yeah, this is a good space to put the rose bushes. Plenty of sun and shade. See all the weeds? Well, you know why. When the you-know-what guy cuts this grass. Yeah, that guy. No political commentary, no political commentary. Cuts the grass. Those clippings get over here and causes this mess. Think he does it on purpose. No political commentary. Okay, we're going to focus on the task at hand, which is trying to figure out what I'm going to do. Got these holes. I will fill them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so I'm going to put rose bushes in this area. Let's take a look at the fence. Looks good. I know you see that little gap there. That's okay. Work has been delayed. You know why. Pollen is my kryptonite. It's like I have to take a break. It's just too much. I hate having to take all that medicine, stuff like that. When it clears, then I can get back out here. Grass looks pretty good, though. Could use some water. This would be a good time to do it. Anytime between 6 and 10 a.m. is recommended. It's ideal, but I water at night. You guys know that. Got to get this weed out of here. Trying to keep weeds from growing. You know, they take over your yard and it looks like a big mess. Hey, the old man's pickup truck. Still over here, still got it. Got the insurance for it, stickers, everything. Do things the right way, guys. Well, that's it for now. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns, too. Bye.